g of x and h g of x if it is exist. So we're going to find out the functions. So I'm starting with the first one, g h of x. So g h of x equal g h x. And you remember in g we just put hx. You can see I replace the gx with hx. So I will replaceghx equal now minus 3 times x. I'll replace this x also with hx. So what is the value of hx? I will just input. So hx is equal to 4x minus 1. So it will be 4x negative 1. And that's the end of my answer, but I will have to calculate further. If I can simplify it further, I will simplify it. Minus 3 times 4 is negative 12x. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. So g hx is equal to this one. This is my final answer. Any question you want to ask me about this, you can ask now. Hurry up. Before I should go to the second part. I'll go to the second part. Second part says h g of x. H dot g of x equal h g of x equal now h, I replaced h with g of x now. So with h I replace this g of x. I will write here g of x. So h g of x is equal to 4x minus 1. So 4 I'll write here, x I'll just write it empty, minus 1. Negative 1 will come without any change. I'll replace the value of gx, which is 3, in place of x. So because gx is replaced by x, so gx is what? Negative 3x. Now I'll just simplify it. I replace the value. 4 times 3 is negative 12x. Negative 1 will come without change because 4 is multiplied with this. So this is my final answer, h g of x, and I will of course highlight it. So that's the end of my question solution. I think you probably understand it.